Kiwi is one of those lovely fruits that my family just can't seem to get enough of. As soon as I bring them in the house, it seems like they're gone. But in the rare instances where I actually have some extra, drying them can be a really good alternative to canning them that preserves them and provides a nice, healthy snack for later. I begin by cutting off the ends and then I peel the skin. I used to use a paring knife for that, but now I have this Cutco peeler that works really well. I then cut my pieces into anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. The important thing is to get them all just about the same size so that they'll dry at the same pace. Then I place all of my cut kiwis on my dehydrator tray. I space them out evenly and make sure that they don't touch each other, because if they do, then they'll connect to each other. I'll then place my tray in my dehydrator and dehydrate it at 135 degrees for anywhere from 10 to 18 hours. It's kind of interesting. You wouldn't think that there would be that big of a variation, but depending on the size of the fruit, the moisture content in it, the moisture content in the air, your particular dehydrator, all those things make a difference. My kiwi's been dehydrating all night and it's nice and dry, but still pliable. So at this point, it's done. Now I'll remove my kiwi from the tray and place them in an airtight container. For me, that's a mason jar. I have lots of them, so that makes it really easy. And I'll just load them up. It's pretty easy. They're just like little kiwi chips at this point. And I'll place them in a cool, dry, dark location where they should be good for about 6 months. If I had any doubts if they were dry enough, what I would do is I would just store them in a dry location, shake them about once a day, and check for any condensation on the inside. And if there is any, then you know that they're not quite dry enough and need to dehydrate for longer.